Hey guys, this is the REDTIGER ViewClear70 dash cam. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in the box. Really nice box. And here's all our stuff. Got the manual and electrostatic stickers, user manual, quick start. There's the camera, check it out. So we got the rear camera and the front camera. Oh yeah, very nice. REDTIGER. You got mode button, left, right, OK button. Let's go ahead and pull that off. And here's the rear camera, a 360-degree range, so you can get just the right angle out the rear window. Here's all the power cables and stuff you need. All right, we have the camera. We're gonna get it mounted. I'm gonna put mine right here. Seems like a good spot to put it. All right, let's power it up. There it is, REDTIGER. English, okay. The buttons are under here. New York, okay. Preparing SD card. All right guys, that's it. This thing's ready to go. It's already recording. You can go into settings with the buttons under here. You can also control all this stuff from the app. You can go into sound resolution. Lots of options in here. Wi-Fi, sound record, resolution. All right guys, let's get it on the windshield. All right, I found the sweet spot on the windshield. Let's do it. Right there. Perfect. And you do have some adjustment here if you need it. That should be good right there. There's the main power. REDTIGER. All right, cool. All right guys, we're in the back. We're just gonna hook up this rear camera real quick. Just gonna put it right on the windshield here. All right, we got the rear camera installed. We just have to run the cable real quick. Power goes here. We're gonna run up through the headliner, tuck everything up in the headliner, out of the way. It's real simple. And you can use this tool they send to just kind of tuck the wires up in there. You need a little help. And don't worry, you're not going to mess anything up. Just take your time. I've done this a few times. Everything goes in there nice and easy. All right, so we're going straight up, over, right through here. We're going to go up around the window seal, right around the roof area, all the way to the back. All right guys, there it is, pretty simple. Take the power cable, hook it up, and it's ready to go. All right, there it is. If you have any extra cable, just tuck it in the pillar. All right, everything's tucked in nice and neat, hidden away. All right guys, everything's hooked up. The wires are all tucked up nice and neat in the headliner. Check it out. Show rear camera. Isn't that cool? It has voice control. So that's the rear camera. Show front camera. There we go, we got the front camera now. So the SD card's here, it's already installed, and it's recording right now. As soon as you turn the car on, you see that red button going, it's recording. And it records in increments of 60 seconds, but you can adjust that. You can go in the settings and you can go through the settings, loop recording. You can adjust the time. So 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. So every minute it records a clip for the front and a clip for the back. And you can access those on here, or you can access them from the app on your phone, on any Wi-Fi device. All right guys, the front camera and the rear camera are hooked up. All the wires are tucked away. Let's go for a ride. This thing looks beautiful guys. We're sitting here in the park, and you can just see how brilliant everything looks. I don't think most people realize how many interactions you have with other vehicles when you're driving. You know, I think for the most part you get in your car and you go from A to B and you don't really think about it, but there are cars everywhere. There's lots of opportunity for something to happen. Hopefully nothing ever does, but if it does, you'll have it on 4K quality video. All right guys, it's a beautiful day out. You can see how clear everything is with the REDTIGER ViewClear70. It has 4K cameras. It's using Stratus 2 technology. Those are the Sony chips, the best in the industry. Absolutely crystal clear, guys. So I just put a new dash cam in my truck, and this is my wife's car. She wanted one too, so I went ahead and got her this one. And so far it seems to be doing really well. You can see how clear everything is. Looks like there's something going on over here with the train. That train and the car collided. Hopefully that car had a dash cam. If it was the train's fault, the dash cam will prove it. That's a perfect example. I've literally just been driving for less than a minute and we already saw an accident. A pretty significant one too. Guys, the dash cam technology's come a long way just in the last couple of years. I mean, really, they keep coming out with these new chips like the Sony Stratus 2 chips, and they just take it to the next level as far as clarity, being able to see everything that's around you. Guys, if you're ready to upgrade to a new dash cam, or if this is your first one, REDTIGER is a great brand. I've used them before, and all of their products are really good. One of the main reasons you want to get a dash cam is for security and insurance. You know, it just helps give you that peace of mind when you're driving around in traffic. You're protected because you've got it on video and you can prove to the insurance how it happened. And it's all captured in high quality 4K. What's really cool about these cameras is you can capture high quality 4K video as you're driving down the road. If you've been thinking about upgrading to a new dash cam, or if this is your first one, definitely consider REDTIGER. Okay guys, make sure you download the REDTIGER app. It lets you control all the features of the ClearView70 right from your smartphone or other Wi-Fi device. It only takes a few seconds and you'll have access to all the video clips. You can play back the videos in real time, download and save them for later, or delete them if needed. It's pretty cool. Here's some clips of me going through the car wash. It looks great. Alright guys, just looking through the manual here, it's pretty cool. On the voice control function, you've got turn audio on, turn on screen, turn on Wi-Fi, turn on recording, show front camera, and all the other ones. It's pretty cool. REDTIGER. Here's the rear camera. Guys, it looks great. Look at the bridge. You can see all the new cars on the car lot as we're passing by the Ford dealership. The palm trees, the sky is blue. Everything looks absolutely clear, brilliant, beautiful, 4K, amazing quality, guys. My rear windows has a little bit of a tint, so there is a slight glare, but it looks fine to me. All right, here is some of the nighttime footage. Everything looks crystal clear, brilliant, clear nighttime vision, guys. And nighttime vision in the rear. Click on the link below, check it out. Let me know if you get one, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Later.